Welcome traders. If you are looking for a reliable broker with an easy to use and fast platform, both for desktop as well as mobile, low brokerage charges, a single platform to trade everything, derivatives, commodities, currencies, and even an opportunity to invest in 25 plus countries with 60 plus exchanges, then you are at the right place. Today we are talking about Upstox, which provides you all this and much more. And we are going to learn how exactly to open an account with Upstox. I am Dean, a full-time trader since 2005, and my mission is to help traders with all aspects related to trading to help them become a consistently profitable trader. Consider subscribing to my channel and enable the notification so that you become the first one to get notified when I post a new video. Before we start with the account opening procedure, let us quickly look at why you should open an account with Upstox. Some of the benefits of opening an account with Upstox are, it is a cross-platform trading solution. What it means is that you can have a desktop solution that is browser-based. You can get the Nest trading platform from Upstox, and there is a wonderful app that Upstox provides that you can use to trade right from your smartphone. As regards to the technology, now we know that there are some discount broking platforms which have a very bad reputation when it comes to server uptime. Their servers go down right at the moment when most of the traders are stuck with their positions. They can do nothing about it. I have been trading Upstox for a while and I haven't faced any such issues of sorts. Then there is the brokerage charge, and Upstox charges flat 20 rupees per trade when you are trading intraday. So if you are buying and selling stocks intraday or you are trading in the derivative segments, only then you will be charged 20 rupees per order irrespective of the size of that order. So you are buying 1 lot or 10 lots or 100 lots, so you are buying 10 shares, 50 shares or 500 shares, the brokerage will be 20 rupees per trade. And if you are buying stocks for delivery, then there is no brokerage charge. Lastly, as we will see in a bit, the account opening process is completely paperless and completely online. So you can open an account in a matter of minutes if you have all the documents handy. And in this video, you will find out all that is required to open an account with Upstox. I will guide you through the step-by-step process through this video, and you will be able to open an account once you watch this video. Now, Upstox keeps running different offers at different times. Right now, they are running a very cool offer where if you are paying for account opening right now, you will only be charged 249 rupees. And if you choose to pay later, like once your account is open and you fund your account for trading, you will be charged 299 rupees. Now, why these amounts are irrelevant is because if you look here, they are providing you brokerage credit with 30 days validity. What it means is that whatever you trade during the 30 days, you get that brokerage back. And I don't think getting back 249 rupees would be such a big deal. Alright. So that is a very fantastic offer they are running. Then they are also providing you with Money Control Pro yearly subscription, which almost costs you 2000 rupees. So it's already like 8 times the value. Then you go to the next thing that they are offering. It is a beginner's stock market course from the eLearn Markets platform, and it costs you around 1000 rupees. Again, 4 times the value. So we are already getting 8 plus 4, 12 times the value of what you are paying at the beginning, and that too you can get back in terms of brokerage credit. And lastly, they are giving you the Stock Age Premium Quarterly Membership, which costs you again 1000 rupees, and that too totally free. Okay, so you are getting so much of value, and all you have to pay, in fact you don't even have to pay. Like if you choose not to pay right now and you pay when you fund your account, you don't have to pay anything at the time of opening the account. So these are all the benefits that you get when you open an account with Upstox. Now let us go and look at the step-by-step procedure to open an account with Upstox. So let's begin. The first step is to keep these documents ready. First is your PAN card. Second is your Aadhaar card. Third is your bank proof, and a cancelled check will be helpful. Please understand, the bank proof that you are going to use must contain the MICR code and the IFSC code of that bank. If it is not there, then that document will not be considered as a bank proof. Then you will need the income proof, and in that you can use your salary slip, your latest income tax returns, or last 6 months of bank statement. Lastly, a scanned copy of your signature which you will be required to upload while opening your account. Step number 2 is go to the description of this video and click on the link in this description. You will find a link for desktop platform as well as mobile platform. So if you are watching this video on mobile, you can click on the mobile platform. The procedure is same, just that 2 different links will open. This will open the registration page for opening an account. Next step is to enter your details. Enter your email ID and your mobile number and click on send one-time password. One-time password will be sent to your mobile. Copy the one-time password here and click on sign up. The next step is to enter your PAN details and enter your date of birth and click on next. Then you will have to enter some personal information. Enter that information like what is your gender, marital status, annual income, what is your experience with trading, and what is your occupation, and lastly is your country of tax residency other than India. Well, in our case it is not, so I'll click on no. I accept the above declaration and click next. Now you have to set your trading preferences. That is step number 6. In this, you are going to decide for which segment you want to open your account. Now, this whole process has to be repeated. If you don't select all the segments right now, there are 3: equity, futures and options, currency and commodity. So let's say you just select equity right now, and if you further down the line want to trade in derivatives or commodities, you will have to do the whole process again. So I suggest do this process right now and don't worry about it in the future. So select everything. Then we decide on which plan we want to select. In priority plan, you are getting 27 times leverage. Okay, it is mentioned right here. And if you are using the basic plan, you are getting 20 times leverage. But the brokerage for a priority plan is 30 per trade. Whereas for the basic plan, it is 20 per trade. I don't want this insane amount of leverage, so I will select the basic plan and then I will click on next. Then Upstox will keep surprising you with some freebies. Here they are saying if you want a free stock, and if you want, you can just click yes and move on to the next step. Step number 7 is to enter your bank details. Select the account type and click next. Step number 8 is to upload your specimen signature and your income proof. So let us do that. I have already taken a picture of the specimen signature and I will upload that. For income proof, I am uploading the last 6 months of bank statement. If your PDF is password protected, it will ask for a password that will unlock the PDF. So enter that password here. The password will be provided to you by your bank. Enter your full name and click on next. Next step is to upload your photo. And in this case, you will be asked to take a selfie. So do that and then share your location. Then click on next. Then enter your email address and click on get OTP because you have to confirm your email address here. Enter the one-time password that you receive in your email and click next. Now there is a limited time account opening offer where you just have to pay 249 rupees as we discussed earlier if you want to pay right now, or you can choose pay later if you want to pay that amount later when you add money to your account. I will just click on pay now. Then it is asking me, do you have a mobile number which is linked with your Aadhaar card? I will say yes and then I will say continue. Next I have to make the payment. Now we have to e-sign our application if you want to do this process completely online. So let us see how we can do that. Click on the e-sign with Aadhaar OTP. The next step is to e-sign your form using your Aadhaar number. So click here, e-sign now, and enter your Aadhaar number here. So I will enter my Aadhaar number and click send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your account. Enter the OTP here. Click verify OTP. The e-signing process will happen. You have to be patient. Wait for a minute. The application status, it says that it usually takes 1 to 2 days to verify and open your account. Application is submitted and your account will be activated as soon as all the documents and all the forms that you have submitted will be verified by Upstox. In the meanwhile, you can start by downloading their app. You can download the app directly from here, or you can go to the description and I have shared a link to download the app as well. So this concludes your account opening procedure with Upstox. So once again, I would say that you can use the link given in the description of this video to open an account with Upstox. We saw what are the benefits of opening an account with Upstox and the latest offers that are running right now. And if you have any questions at all with the account opening process, all you have to do is write that question in the comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please understand, I reply to each and every comment on my videos. Found this video helpful? Then do share it with your friends so that they can use this information also to open an account with Upstox. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have been using Upstox for a while now, and if you have any questions related to the Upstox platform, whether it is a mobile platform or their desktop platform, you can type that question in the comments below and I will get back to you with an answer as soon as possible. Also, you can let me know which topic I should make my next video on, whether related to Upstox or trading in general. That is how easy it was to open an account with Upstox completely online. So I hope you like this video and you will find this procedure helpful and you will open an account with Upstox because that is my favorite broker. I will see you in the next video.